What's up? I'm Benny Manuel II, certified fitness and nutrition coach, and today I want to share with you my 6-step blueprint on how you can develop healthy, lifelong habits that will have you feeling, looking, and performing your best. From experience, there are a number of good habits that most people can do with forming and adhering to every single day. Step 1, one habit at a time. So pick one habit that you can stick with, one easy habit that you can stick with every day, and make it ridiculously easy to follow. Step 2, personalize your habit. Make this habit personal to you. This is a part of giving yourself options and ensuring that you find a good starting point. Step 3, work in 14-day habit challenges. Follow a specific habit, which of course you made specific for yourself, and stick with it for 14 days. And every 14 days, you should change this habit. Step 4, aim for 6 days out of 7. Achieve the habit you set for yourself 6 days out of 7. Give yourself some flexibility throughout the week. And remember, creating habits is about momentum, not perfection. Step 5, weekly habit review. Conduct a weekly habit review. The goal here is to reflect on the past week or so of how you've done with the habit that you've chose. Step 6, weekly habit adjustments. If all went well the week before, then lengthen the habit that you're doing. If you've struggled, then keep it the same as last week or make it even easier. But you don't want to make too big of an adjustment to where it becomes too difficult. Thanks for watching. If you got anything useful out of this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. We look forward to hearing from you, and I'll catch you next week.